Hey Tim, so how have the workshops been for you so far today?
Oh, fantastic. So much planning has gone into today and the next few days, and every workshop has been packed, and I've learnt so much, and it's just been incredible. Even stuff that I thought I already knew, there was so much to learn. So it's just been fantastic. I've done 3 so far, and I've got the next session off, thankfully. What did you get up to today?
It's been really good. It's been so nice seeing so many people coming into the workshop. So I've done 2 workshops this morning, and I've got 1 more coming up for the last session. So I've been focusing on more of the wellbeing side of things. So it's been really nice to have a selection of offerings. And I'm actually going to the audit session next, which I'm really excited about.
Oh, you're so diligent. I've mostly been focusing on kind of like practical things, emergency responses, new skills. So I did some tracheostomy troubleshooting this morning, some blocks and paediatric resuscitation, and I even learnt how to do a Rubik's Cube in the middle of all of that.
That looked like so much fun.
Yeah.
I bet that was awesome.
What have you got coming up in the next few days? What are you looking forward to?
So over the next few days, we've got quite a lot more of the emergency response workshops coming up. So I'm looking forward to getting into those, and we've managed to get some facilitators to come in from different parts of New South Wales. So I think that is awesome, seeing what's going on outside the big cities. We've been really lucky with all our facilitators. So looking forward to getting into a bit more emergency response.
How good has it been seeing people from all over the state and all up and down the coast coming here to help out with the ASM? I just think that's been fantastic.
It's been brilliant. I think we've been really lucky in having so many people volunteering their time for the workshop program. It's certainly made our job a lot easier.
Oh, absolutely. They've done like 99% of the work. I've got some more emergency response workshops coming up on Saturday and Sunday, and then I'm doing a microbiome and pain workshop Monday morning, which I'm pretty pumped for at 8:30 sharp, I think. So lots to come.
Fantastic.
I'll see you around.